Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. Let me share my screen. And here we are. You should be able to see my PHP Runner window and browser window. Okay, today we're going to talk about how you can create your own edit plugin. We already talked about this, and today is a different plugin. And some people ask about this specific feature. And we think about like why not just to show everyone how you can build one and how you can extend its functionality. So we're talking about something that will edit our numbers as currency on the edit page. So we already know how to do this on the list of view pages. So we're talking about field, for instance, unit price in our products table. And on the view page, you can set it up as number, or you can set it up as currency. No properties, build. In viewing browser. So this is our products table. And you can see that unit price is formatted as a currency. So by default, we have United States regional settings, and all prices are formatted with dot as the decimal point separator, comma as thousand separator, and $sign in front of the amount. So we want to do something like this on the edit page as well. So let me show you like what kind of jQuery plugin we found. There are the whole bunch of them, and they are slightly different in the way how it works and how you specify settings. So this is the one that we will be using. So if you start typing in some sort of a number here, you can see that it is being formatted as we type. I think it's especially useful when you need to enter large numbers. So you need to make sure that you enter in millions and not thousands. And also it can warn us if we enter more than two digits after the decimal point. Let's take a look how it works in our application where it was imported already, and then I'll walk you through all the steps of how you create your own plugin. Let's take a look at this item, for instance, that's unit price. I just delete what we have here and start typing numbers, and it works exactly as it should. The number is properly formatted as a currency. And if I start typing more than two digits after the decimal point, it warns me that I have too much. So this is how plugin works. So as we specified 2 digits after the decimal point, so there is no warning if we type one more. And if we click save, it shows up here as a proper formatted currency character. And if you go back to list, it also shows up as $1,222.25. Let me show you. So unit price, you can see that edit as type is currency format, and I have installed it via install plugin functionality right here. So plugins are in the database, stored in the database in version 11. In version 10.91, they are in the as files. So you develop them in files, obviously, and once you got it working, you can import it into the database and you can test it. So this is the configuration, the kind of configuration we have here. And I'm pretty sure that you can use both. So just using the locale is a little bit easier, in my opinion. So like it's like a default setting, but let's see if we want to have 3 digits right here. So I'm pretty sure you can specify both, and you specify the locale first, and then you can override anything after that. So let's see what it does. And once it's ready, we will also have the .NET version of the plugin, obviously, and we will make both PHP and .NET version also available on our marketplace. So you can either download the sample project and the plugin, or you can download it via marketplace. Maybe we will add a couple more features based on your feedback. Okay, let's take a look what happens when we specify 3 digits and products. Okay, let's go edit something else, the same. And you see by default, it adds the third one. So okay, it's saved like this. Let's see how it's saved in the database. Okay, let's make sure that this unit price field is able to store more than 2 decimal points. Unit price. Okay, it says decimal and only 2. So let's make it, I don't know, 6. Let's go edit it again. And we want 444. Click save. And you can see that it does. By the way, if you try to enter more than that, and then you click save, you can see that it will take care of extra digits. It will truncate those. Go back to list. If you want, like, since this is a currency, and currency is supposed to look like this, but if you want to display all 3 digits, you can switch view as type to a number, like this number right here, and do 3 build. The currency character is obviously gone, but we have all numbers formatted as having 3 decimal digits. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. So yeah, I think you can use it for both currency formatting on the edit page and for doing like entering any kind of numbers that have something after the decimal point.